I have an update on the HiPA carburetor kit I put on my Echo string trimmer. Unfortunately, it's not been all sunshine and rainbows. In my initial review, I put the carburetor kit in, air filter, and spark plug, and the thing ran like a dream. Unfortunately, this last time I went to start it, it wouldn't start. So I took the spark plug out, cleaned it up, and it started right away and ran for a little while, but then shut off and wouldn't restart. So I have narrowed it down to a spark plug issue. The spark plug that was in it came in the HiPA kit. It is a Savior brand, whatever that is, never heard of it before. I'm gonna replace it with an NGK and see if we can get this thing running well again. Just gonna go do a simple spark test beforehand, see if we can see any difference in spark plugs before we put it on and test if it runs. So this is the Savior spark plug that came with the kit. And I don't know if it, and I can see a spark there with my eye. It's not super strong. Let's try out our NGK plug. Interestingly enough, I don't see a visible spark with the NGK plug like I did with the Savior plug, so maybe this is not going to be the Savior. But anyway, we can see it doesn't really seem to be a carburetor issue. I cleaned this thing up, this spark plug is not dirty at all. This is the Savior one. Of course, the NGK is brand new, but let's put that in and see if it'll run with it. Let's see if it'll restart. That was the first pull on the NGK plug. Let's put that Savior plug back in and see if it does the same thing. Okay, the Savior plug's in there. Let's see what it does. Let's go back to the NGK plug. Back to the NGK plug. So what did we learn here today? This replacement carburetor is pretty darn good. I've been very impressed with that. That off-brand spark plug that comes with the kit is a piece of junk. Don't even bother installing it. Throw that thing away. Get yourself an NGK or a Champion. Put that in there. Savior, no good. I'm guilty of buying off-brand things once in a while, but this reinforces that name brand spark plugs are worth it, and let's be honest, they're not very expensive. A couple bucks for that NGK replacement got me up and running again and avoided a lot of hassle. Don't bother with off-brand spark plugs. Thanks for watching. Adios.